Gondor egg powder production line. Brush roller rolling scrubbing. Efficient stain removal. Fast cleaning speed. Automatic egg beater. High separation accuracy. Homogenize the egg liquid. Improve product quality. Low temperature sterilization. Preserves protein activity nutrition. Convert liquid egg into solid powder. Fast drying speed. Controllable product properties. Packaging of powder. Accurate measurement. Filling accuracy greater than 99.7%. Finished product display. Client gallery. What our customers say.